the new Anglican Archbishop of Wales. Religion has been the greatest trick played on our people. We must return to our spirituality, where morality is tied to truth, nature, community, and respect. Olodumare is not an Arab god, and is not a European god. Olodumare is ours, and is unique to us. Our salvation will never come from Mecca or Rome. It will come from our own land and our own culture and our own ancestor. Fún díẹ̀ yìí, gbogbo èèyàn ọmọ ìran adúláwọ̀, èèyàn ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ ká jí, let's wake up. Ọjọ́ ń lọ, time don't reach for us to wake up. We need to wake up. Gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá káàkiri àgbáyé, mo ṣe ẹ̀làbọ̀yè bó ṣiṣẹ́. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ṣe mọ̀ pé ìkànnì wà fún ìgbélárugẹ àṣà àti ìṣe àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá. Tá à ń ṣíra wa lójú, tá à ń rán wa létí ibi tá a ti ń bọ̀, ibi tá a di dúró, ibi tá à ń lọ. Ohun tí mo mú wá lè ní àrà ọ̀tọ̀ ni. Mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lórí the new Anglican Archbishop of Wales, Cherry Vann. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo àyíká wa. Look around you. Religion has been the greatest trick played on our people. Ní àná òde yìí, a gbọ́ pé Church of Nigeria Anglican Communion has officially cut ties with the Church of Wales. Torí kí ni? Wọ́n ní because the Church of Wales appointed Cherry Vann as their new Archbishop, who is an openly lesbian person. These are the same people who told us that our own culture is evil, that our own spirituality is demonic. But look at what they approve in their own house. Look at what they approve in their own house. Is this not hypocrisy of foreign religion? In Yoruba belief, leaders are meant to uphold ìwà pẹ̀lẹ́, good character, and live by the values that they teach. This foreign religion came with strict rules for we Africans, telling us to burn our shrines, abandon our priests. Yet, in their own land, they change the rules when it suits them. Lọ́dọ̀ tí wọ́n bó ṣe wù wọ́n náà ṣe ń ṣe nǹkan tí wọ́n, àsìkò tó bá wù wọ́n láti ṣe nǹkan títí wọn, wọ́n á ṣe bó bá ṣe fẹ́. In their same Bible, when it goes to Romans 1:26-27, this verse condemns same-sex acts. Yet, here is the leader of the church openly practicing what their own scripture forbids. Ẹ̀sìn yìí kò ń ṣe ohun tó yẹ kí ènìyàn máa tẹ̀lé. It has no consistency. It changes like wind. Báwo wá ni a ṣe wà conditioned to hate ourselves? They arrived in Africa calling us pagan, calling our ways pagan, primitive, and backward. They told us that Sango is evil, that Orisha is a witchcraft, that Ifa is demonic. But look, their leader break their own commandment openly. They never respected us. They only wanted our own mind. Ọkọ fẹ́ máa darí ayé wa bó ṣe wù wọ́n ni. Ọkọ ìdí ọpọlọ sí àwọn ènìyàn wa lórí. Wọ́n ní ẹni tó bá sáko lójú ọ̀nà, àbáwọn ṣe máa ń sọ òwe yẹn. Wọ́n ní kò ní mọ ibi tó ń lọ. A person who strays on the road will never know their true destination. Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá àti sọnù. Àwa ìran adúláwọ̀, we Africans, sleep inside sleep. That is, àwa ìran adúláwọ̀ àti àjẹ́ Africa, we are sleeping inside of our own sleep. For example, look at China, Japan, India, and the rest. They kept their culture, built their own moral codes, and now the world respects them. We abandoned our own roots and took in foreign religion, and now we are confused, divided, and weak. Religion has broken Yoruba land into Muslim versus Christian versus Ìṣẹ̀ṣe. Gbogbo àwa ń kọjú síra wa. Akọjú síra wa. Our enemies don't even need to fight us anymore. We are already divided. Need kẹ́ni kankan bá wa jà kankan mi kankan. Àwa gan already à ń bára wa jà lójoojúmọ́ ayé. Tágbájá ò fẹ́ bá tàmọ̀dù ṣe, tẹ̀mẹ̀dù ò fẹ́ bá ilé ṣe. Ìjà gan ogun gan là ń bára wa fà láàrin ara wa. Ìròyìn yìí kí ló kọ́ wa gan-an? If the Church of Nigeria can stand up and cut ties with Wales because of one appointment, why can't Yoruba people cut ties with this religion entirely? Kí ló dé tá a pa wọ́n gan tì ká gbájúmọ́ nǹkan títí wa gangan? This is the moment to see clearly that if they can reject their own brother and sister, what makes you think they ever truly accepted us? Tí a bá mọ ìtàn ṣáájú, a ṣe ìdáàbòbò fún ọjọ́ ọ̀la wa. That is, if we know our past, we will guide our future. So this is a call for action for all Yoruba and Africans at large. We must return to our spirituality, where morality is tied to truth, nature, community, and respect. Olodumare is not an Arab god, and is not a European god. Olodumare is ours, and is unique to us. Ifa is our own divine wisdom. Orisha is our own divine forces. So it is time to be ashamed of who we are. Religion is the lie that has kept African changed for so long. And now it's the time to break the chain. So, ẹ máa rántí ní gbogbo ìgbà pé irọ́ ni ẹ̀sìn jẹ́. Our salvation will never come from Mecca or Rome. It will come from our own land and our own culture and our own ancestor. Fún díẹ̀ yìí, gbogbo èèyàn ọmọ ìran adúláwọ̀, èèyàn ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ ká jí, let's wake up. Ọjọ́ ń lọ, time don't reach for us to wake up. We need to wake up from our sleep. So, ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò ní ju báyìí lọ o. Fún díẹ̀ yìí, màá tún máa rí yín nínú fọ́nrán mi tí màá tún fi síta. Ó dàbọ̀.